So we are going to replace the battery for our remote for the Isuzu MUX 2023 model. So here are the things that we need. So you need the 2032 battery. Okay, of course the key to be replaced. Get to open and get the key. First here, press this slide. We got the key. Okay, now what we do is we'll still use this to open this. It's kind of tight. So let's open now. Okay, we'll just open this. Okay, so there we go. This is remote. Get the keys. The old battery. Open this. Hard. It's kind of hard. What is this? Oh my god. Okay. So it's different. That's the last one. So ito yung this is the replacement battery. You see, energizer. Sorry, energizer. Put it here. That's simple. Put it back here. Okay, and put back the key. Okay, test.